Hey, ikukwama nonya. Ikukwama nonya. Ikukwama nonya. Ikukwama nonya. Ikukwama nonya. Ikukwama nonya. Okay. Can you hold it for me so you can record? Yeah. Oh, don't be yourself. I have come to say yes. Oh my God. Wow. Como Chile? The truth will come out.
Amen. 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 Yes, we bring beauty from UK. We bring beauty from UK. What is it that brings beauty from UK? Greeting. Greeting from Ireland. Ireland is the most. I'm here with everybody. We are coming tomorrow. Freedom, we know that. We are Friday.
Life and direct.
And Biafra will ever be.
Oh yes. Let me say something. Dear friends, please, this is our Prime Minister. Yes. We are not allowed to come in, but they just surprised us.
Thank
you so much.
Thank you, Pierre.
Leaders, we thank you all. We thank you. We love our PM. We love our PM.
I'm very confident that the truth is going to come out.
Yes.
And they will know that the wrong person has been in prison.
Yes.
Nigeria government are the one responsible for the killing of our people,
Yes.
and they should be held responsible for that. I am here because of the life of my people.
Yes.
And we are not giving up.
Yes.
No.
Oh yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Oh yes. You can say it.
You know, this is the quintessential creation of one's happiness, aka catching cruise. Umutobo. As on a jump finish, I think so. Now go carry a come off from the courtroom now. Carry a come off because you see, very confused set of people. You see, what you people don't know. Imagine, see. So Simon Ekpa is this coward. He is this cowardly, right? He is this cowardly. What you opened your mouth to declare, you were here online shouting woto 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 as your boys were buying the military. Okay, now you are saying it's Nigeria. It will be when that is the Nigeria. Well, you learned very well from your Ghana and the Kano, but you should also ask yourself, where did it land him? Sokoto. He's go after this cross appeal now. Na hanging they will give him. So this one, what you are just at the genesis part of your journey. On our way they jump up. He just did the genesis part of him journey. We never reach Malakayo. On they jump up. When he finish for Finland, he go come here, come begin the main matter. Now for here, the main journey day. No see, as grey hair don't come out. This one, how many years in there? Me and they the same age bracket. If you see me, you no go use up to 2-3 years. You know me. Overnight, grey hair don't come out. You are called the day. Yeah, I carry that. Yeah. Chineke ndị Igbo mere no good ebe. See old women. Confused women who go chie. So on another way to what they do for Europe. Na to carry on as self go Finland. Chineke ato. And let's use this opportunity to send a message to the presidency. You know, it's like we are going to reactivate the Ijele nation because that's where we are going to use for our new round of petitions, because we don't see say some people don't they rear their head. Now petition they need now be no worry, we see we go give on a petition, but they will tell them. We are calling on the presidency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. On no account should this matter be allowed to be watered down for any reason. There should be an express order from the AGF to the CJ, and most especially Foreign Minister Bianca Ojukwu. I know so many people will be leaning on her to soften her stance on this, although I don't know her stance on Simon Ekpa. But I haven't seen her say much about Nnamdi Kanu or something. But the foreign ministry should ensure that whatever is happening in Finland, the AGF, the CJ, and every other agency or department that is supposed to be involved are following this case bumper to bumper. The Igbo politicians that Simon Ekpa worked for, they are not silent. They are not keeping quiet. And all the Igbo people within the cabinet should declare their stance, should make their stance known. All these criminals you are seeing, all this nonsense they are doing, they have strong political backing. Those of us fighting them, we know the forces we are up against. We know the forces we are up against, and they are coming primarily from the so-called Igbo politicians, from the governors to the rest of them. Yes, most of the political actors from the southeast, their answer in this. Many of them, even many of them that are working within the police, within the army, every other security agency, please, the federal government, for the sake of the souls that have been wasted, the military guys, the police guys, the civilians, that these guys wasted, no stone should be left unturned. These people must pay for their crimes.
Okay.
They are the cause of problem.
Okay.
That love.
Listen to here. Listen, quiet.
So, use that opportunity to behave very well. I can make an onion, I can make an so, one after the other. Because it's very easy. So, we are all one.
Yes.
Oh, bless you. Lord of Jesus.
Live and direct right here.
I used to you and
US. From US. I think I'm now. Yes. I think I'm now.
No.
Because I think I don't know when I will get there.
If I did them phone, I got the go. Let's did they live that right like this? Eh? No. Let's face on you. Face your do.
Okay. Thank you.
If I I couldn't have free alive. Life and direct. Yeah. See your son. Not your son. Okay, let's go. Live.
Next time they will allow me.
Exactly. We love you. Thank you. Huh?
I don't go.
Love you.
Live and direct. Yeah, God, okay. Ikukwama nonya. Okay. Ikukwama nonya.
Love you.
Ikukwama nonya.
You should get behind you.
Live and direct. Ikukwama nonya.